Morning! How are you doing? What's up, world? It's BK here in GG Styles. We are in a tree. This is day 4 of Trash to Track. Our plans today are to clean out the engine bay now that we have all that stuff accessed, and to get a good idea of the quality of our wiring harness so we can decide if we're going to change it or not. Taking on the park to give G some time to enjoy his life. Good enough for me. There's just like tools all over the place in this car. This one, I found a bunch inside the car already, and there's a little ratchet, a wrench there. All the different lost tools or ways people did things or corners that they cut. It's like a story that's being told. And you know, this car's older than I am, and in a lot of cases these cars you're going to be working on are going to be older than you. So they've experienced so much more than they can even tell. And it's just little things like how they routed the intercooler piping, or some interesting cut holes in it. This one. Got some of this stuff and some of this stuff. I'm not going to go too crazy with it, with like a pressure washer or anything. There's a lot of rust on this car, so I don't really want to introduce any water until I've addressed that situation. Our primary goal for these 14 days is to get the car hopefully running, and then maybe to an autocross event in January. So ideally I don't pull the harness. The more I'm looking at it, it's destroyed. There's things everywhere. But I think if we can get it started in the next week, I'll consider this a win. This wire's twisted around, and then it just goes to like some other cluster of wires down here. Goes in the bin. Found another one. I think we just found the boss of today's episode. All the little lines, the freaking vacuum lines, go to this thing. So, boom. Where's this go? Thanks for joining Z31 and I on day 4 of Trash to Track. We removed the evap system. Tomorrow we're going to be working on the EGR. I think we might get away with the wiring. It's pretty bad, but we're going to eliminate as much stuff as we can to lower the complexity. If you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next one comes out. So hopefully we can get it running. Stay tuned to find out. Have a good one.